Your floors can get dirty pretty quickly, and cleaning them can be a real hassle, leaving them soaking wet and out of bounds. Well, it's time to ditch the bucket with the Aqua Jet Duo Mop from JML, the 2-in-1 microfiber spray mop that's always ready to clean dirt, dust, spills and stains from your hard floors. Aqua Jet's large onboard water tank means you're ready to tackle all kinds of mess whenever and wherever. Its integrated trigger spray creates a fine mist that targets the dirt without soaking your floors. Simply spray and clean for a spotless finish that will leave dirt and grime with no place to hide. The dual-side microfiber head means you can mop, then just flip the head over and dry straight away. Use water or cleaning solution to leave your floors sparkling clean. Ideal for tiles, laminates, hardwood and more. The thick microfiber fingers work into gaps, grouting and uneven surfaces for incredible cleaning power, soaking up liquids and big spills. Ideal for tackling spilt drinks and messy meal times. It's ideal for dusting and sweeping too. The low-profile swivel head design reaches under furniture, hugs skirting boards and effortlessly glides around awkward corners. When you're done, just pop the head in the washing machine so it's fresh and clean and ready to go again. The Aqua Jet Duo flies through the cleaning and makes mopping your floors fast and easy. Don't let bulky buckets of water delay cleaning your floors. Be prepared for whenever dirt and grime try to spoil your day with the Aqua Jet Duo Mop from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.